Hey everyone, this is John Rollins. Take a look at this beautiful ruby red 2015 F-250 Platinum. It's a crew cab, short bed, four-wheel drive. This is a Texas truck, so it's 100% rust-free, and it's in absolutely beautiful condition. This is exactly how the truck was shipped in. 20-inch wheels, backup sensors, tailgate step, running boards, tinted windows. It's got the tow mirrors. It's a rare color, hard to find truck, and it's in absolutely beautiful condition. Let's go ahead and take a look at the interior. The Platinum trucks come fully loaded. Nice wood grain accents, power sliding mirrors, power fold mirrors, memory driver's seat, Sony stereo. This truck has the black interior, sunroof, leather seats, heated and cooled seats. Again, power seats on both sides. No rips or tears in any of the interior. There are no odors. Adjustable foot pedals, tilt wheel, heated steering wheel. This truck has 146,644 miles. Navigation, backup camera, dual zone climate control, hill descend, traction control, four-wheel drive switch. 15 was the first year for the factory exhaust brake, so this truck does have the exhaust brake. Brake controller, upfitter switches. You've got a 110 outlet right here. Nice little storage area up here. This truck has rear heated seats. Just a super clean truck. Another look at your dash. As well as in the rear, you do have your climate control vents, and you do have a 110 outlet back here for your passengers. Factory 20-inch wheels. It's hard to tell now, but you still have, the tires are still like new. Again, this is a Texas truck, so the frame is super clean. You got a power sliding rear window as well. And it's all stock. No chips, no aftermarket exhaust, nothing has been added to the truck. It's exactly like how Ford sold it. If you're looking for a decently priced Platinum, this is gonna be it. This truck's priced for $35,950. Let's go ahead and take a look at the engine. 6.7 liter POWERSTROKE diesel. Again, all stock. These trucks make 440 horse and 860 for torque. Again, my name's John Rollins. Thanks for taking the time to watch my video. If you're interested in this truck, you can reach me directly at 614-563-9999. Thank you.